Looking for a simple twist on the classic paper weave? This plaid-inspired project swaps the typical pattern and gives it a textile-inspired look. Grab 2 of your favorite colors and let's dive into the steps. The materials needed are 2 pieces of different color construction paper. This tutorial uses 8.5 by 11 inches, scissors and or craft knife with a cutting mat, a ruler, a pencil, and clear tape or glue stick. For the first step, I will demonstrate 2 different ways to complete it based on if you are using a scissors or a craft knife. Option 1 for step 1, cutting the base using a scissors. Begin by folding the paper vertically. Using your ruler, measure 1/2 inch on each of the open sides of the fold. Draw a line connecting the points. Measure and mark a repeating 3/4 inch, then 1/4 inch pattern on the line that was drawn. Repeat on the folded side of the paper. Connect the marks using the pencil to create vertical lines. Cut on the vertical lines. Remember not to cut past the horizontal drawn line. Option 2 for step 1, cutting the base using a craft knife. Using your ruler, measure 1/2 inches on each end of the horizontal sides. Draw a line connecting the points. Measure and mark a repeating 3/4 inch, then 1/4 inch pattern on the line that was drawn. Connect the marks using the pencil to create vertical lines. Cut on the vertical lines using the craft knife and ruler. Remember not to cut past the horizontal drawn line. Step 2, making the strips. Using a scissors or craft knife, cut 3/4 inch and 1/4 inch thick horizontal strips from the other piece of construction paper. If needed, measure and mark the strips' lengths using a ruler and pencil. I used 9 3/4 inch strips and 8 1/4 inch strips. Step 3, begin weaving. Take a 3/4 inch thick paper strip and begin weaving it through the vertical strips, using the pattern over, then under, then over, then under. Take a 1/4 inch thick paper strip and weave it through the opposite vertical strips using the same over, then under, then over, then under pattern. Continue rotating the 3/4 inch and 1/4 inch strip pattern until your weave reached your desired length. Step 4 also has 2 different options for securing the paper weave. Option 1 for step 4. Apply a small amount of glue to the loose ends of your woven strips and press them firmly onto the back of your base paper. Option 2 for step 4. Carefully turn your finished weave over. Completely cover the entire back of the weave with clear tape. This will hold everything securely in place. Trim any excess tape from the edges. For more detailed instructions and photograph references, check out the tutorial on the Create Within Reach blog. Happy crafting!